Gandhamadhana Parvatam is a significant religious site in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, known for being the spot where Lord Rama is believed to have stood to look for Sita. It is also associated with Lord Hanuman and is said to be the place from where he began his journey to Lanka. The site is a hilltop featuring a two-story temple housing the chakra with Lord Rama's footprints. Religious significance. It is believed to be the spot where Lord Rama looked for Sita after her abduction by Ravana. The site also has a connection to Lord Hanuman, who is said to have started his journey to Lanka from here to find the medicinal herbs to save Lakshman. It is also home to the Sakshi Hanuman temple. Location and view. The hillock is located about 3 kilometers from the Sri Ramanathaswamy temple in Rameshwaram. It is considered the highest point on the island, offering panoramic views of the entire island, the coast, and the sea. Key features. A two-story temple is situated at the summit. Inside the temple, a chakra with the imprints of Lord Rama's feet is enshrined.